everybody. How are you? This is Miss Andy from Morley Library here for another baby bookworm story time. As always, we'll do some bounces, we'll do some rhymes, we'll read, and we'll do a song or two. Remember, if you're feeling bored and need something to do, we are keeping packets with activity kits at the front of the building. You can always come during our open hours and pick up some fun things to do with baby. And if baby has siblings, we have crafts for them as well. All right, remember, we're going to be opening up next week, so I can't wait to see everybody here. Remember, summer reading is starting too, and you can pick up your packets here on the children's floor, and you can sign up online. Ready to start? Okay. So I thought this week we'd do something a little different and try and sing our song, a welcome song that we do normally when everybody's here in the building. Since I don't have my babies here to sing their songs, I'm going to go ahead and sing a verse for Teddy, and then we'll clap along for a little bit while you sing a version with your baby, okay? Ready? Okay. Ready? Let's all clap 'cause Teddy is here. Let's all clap 'cause Teddy is here. Let's all clap 'cause Teddy is here. Teddy is here today. Let's all clap 'cause is here. Let's all clap 'cause is here. Let's all clap 'cause is here today. Let's all clap 'cause Mommy is here. Let's all clap 'cause Mommy is here. Let's all clap 'cause Mommy is here. Mommy is here today. Yay! All right. Now let's go ahead and do eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Ready? We'll do it twice. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Cheeky, cheeky, chin, nose, eyes. One more time. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Cheeky, cheeky, chin, nose, eyes. Very good. All right. So let's do one little bounce before we read our stories. We're going to do Gregory Griggs. For this one, we bounce along, and then we're going to tip baby to one side, tip baby to the other side, and give baby a big hug at the end. Are you ready? Yeah? Okay. Gregory Griggs. Gregory Griggs had 27 different wigs. He wore them up, he wore them down to please the people of the town. He wore them east, he wore them west. But which one did he love the best? This one! Let's do it one more time. Are you ready? Okay. Gregory Griggs. Gregory Griggs had 27 different wigs. He wore them up, he wore them down to please the people of the town. He wore them east, he wore them west. But which one did he love the best? This one! And you can throw a little tickle. Okay, are we ready for a story? First, we're going to read Hear George. It's one of my favorites. It's by Sandra Boynton, and with pictures by George Booth. This is George. He likes to sit. Hear George, says a lady's voice. George does not move. Hear George, says a man's voice. George does not move. Come on, boy, says a child's voice. George does not move. That's okay, says the lady's voice. George must be tired. We will go for a ride without him. So the man and the lady and the child drive away. Look at the car. It's a red car in the background. George is feeling a little glum. He lies down and closes his eyes. Outside, some wild music begins to play. Boom, 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 boom. George opens his eyes. He likes music. Now George is sitting. Now George is standing. What's gonna happen? Now George is dancing and dancing and dancing until he can dance no longer. He's so tired. Look at his tongue. He's got a long pink tongue. George hears the car door slam. Slam! 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 He sits up and wags his tail. "We're home, George," says the lady's voice. George does not move, except his happy tail. "We're home, George," says the man's voice. George does not move, except his happy tail. "Come here, you sweet puppy dog," says the child's voice. George does not move, except his happy tail. Yes, this is George. He likes to sit. He likes to sleep. He loves his family. And he is wild about dancing, which no one knows but you. The end. Yay, that was so much fun. Okay, so I'm ready for another bounce. How about you? This is a smooth road. It's one of my favorites. So this one you can do anywhere. It's so easy. You just start slowly. A smooth road, a smooth road, a smooth road, a smooth road. A bumpy road, a bumpy road, a bumpy road, a bumpy road. A rough road, a rough road, a rough road, a rough road. Woo! A hole! And you can drop baby down or pull baby back into a hug. It's a lot of fun. Let's do it again. Sound good? Yeah. Okay. A smooth road, a smooth road, a smooth road, a smooth road. A bumpy road, a bumpy road, a bumpy road, a bumpy road. A rough road, a rough road, a rough road, a rough road. Ooh, a hole. So much fun. And I have this one. It's about a little mouse in a house. Are you guys ready? Yeah? It's the same thing. It's just a bounce. Ready? Boing, boing, squeak. Boing, boing, squeak. A bouncy mouse is in the house. She's been here for a week. She bounces in the kitchen. She bounces in the den. She bounces in the living room. Look, there she goes again. Yay, so much fun. Let's do it again. Boing, boing, squeak. Boing, boing, squeak. A bouncy mouse is in the house. She's been here for a week. She bounces in the kitchen. She bounces in the den. She bounces in the living room. Ah, look, there she goes again. Boing, 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 boing. So much fun. Okay, let's do one more book, and then we're going to sing the milkshake song. I love that song. Don't you? Okay. This one's a fun story about a baby and an old friend. Go Baby, Go Dog by Anne Vitter Kennedy. Go baby, go baby, go baby. Who's that sleeping right here? It's our dog. Go dog. Go baby, go baby, go baby. Go dog. Look baby. Look dog. Go baby, go dog. Go dog, go dog, go dog. No dog. No baby. Oh, baby. Nice dog. Nice baby. See how nice a baby's being with doggy? Good dog. The end. All right, my friends. If you have a shaky egg or a rattle or a bottle of beans, anything like that, go ahead and get it. Now, if baby's not ready to hold your shaky eggs, you can hold it in baby's hand and just move baby around. If baby's ready to try, go ahead and let him try. Ready? And if they don't shake on the beat, it's okay. Are we ready? Yeah? Okay. You take a little milk for some milk, and you take a little cream for the cream. You stir it all around. You shake it and you'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it up, milkshake, milkshake, shake it all up. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it up, milkshake, milkshake, shake it all up. You take a little milk for the milk, and you take a little cream for the cream. You stir it all around. You shake it and you'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it up, milkshake, milkshake, shake it all up. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it up, milkshake, milkshake, shake it all up. Milkshake, milkshake, shake it up, milkshake, milkshake, shake it all up. Yay, good job. All right, so again, remember, we'll be opening up to the public very soon. I can't wait to see you, and we do have lots of fun activities, packets you can take home, summer reading coming up. So everyone have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week, and have fun with baby. Enjoy the weather.